How to operate. Please keep the power switch on, including the emergency switch, while threading or rethreading straps because it features an auto-feeding function. Remove the packing paper and string on the PP straps and install it onto the dispenser according to the direction of arrow shows on the outer disc. Then, tighten the locking knob against the coil after cutting strings, if any on the strap coil. Pull a sufficient length of strap from the coil and thread it through the brake roller. Twist the strap 90 degrees clockwise and continue to thread the strap through the guiding roller and the pull box entrance. Turn on both the main power and emergency switches. Then press the feed roller lever and insert the strap tip into the pull box entrance. When the proximity lamp turns green, that means the strapping function is ready. Three ways to do strapping work includes easy manual operation, fixed, and foot pedal operation conforms to ergonomics, and ball switch operation. Strapping work can be done within 25 seconds of warm-up, and the sealing head will automatically reheat itself after strapping 5 times. In addition, the proximity lamp shows the light signal to tell whether the strap is fed properly or not.